I'm Sriram Gaikwad. I'm from Kolhapur. Currently, I'm pursuing my Masters in International Hotel Management from Indian Institute of Learning and Advanced Development.
Hi, I'm Amanpreet Kaur. I'm basically from Agra.
I am Abhishek Anand from Bhagalpur, Bihar. Currently, I am pursuing MBA in International Hotel Management.
Hi, I'm Anil Kumar and I'm from Dubai.
I am Etiam Christine. I'm from Uganda.
We are given very industry-oriented knowledge in the institute. Also, there is an overall holistic approach. The classes are clubbed with personality development and sector-specific classes.
It's a very great opportunity for me. It was pretty good experience. Although I'm at the verge of completing my course, I like the corporate environment that INLEAD has to provide, because they will make you ready for the environment that you're going to face after completing this course, and they would inculcate that communication skills and the skills that are being required at today's new world. And the global culture that they will teach you will help you to go abroad and work into that environment.
INLEAD has been amazing. Like from the day I came for admission till today, it's been a very good experience. They have impressed me throughout. My parents, me, the moment we walked in the campus, we were impressed, and it's been very good.
About INLEAD, my thoughts are very clear. It is a very good institute, and the faculties are very good. They are they are highly educated, and they are very fruitful in delivering their thoughts through a proper education pedagogy system, and they are awesome in their teachings.
What I like about Indeed, first of all, is the environment, the professionalism that they are creating in us. I have so far learned so much, yet I've not yet finished my MBA. I am so interested. I cannot explain.
You should respect everything that you get from life. Study hard, play hard, and enjoy your life.
A very good organization to study with, and you will learn a lot about corporate environment, about professional environment, and it's a great opportunity. And not only studies, they have other curriculum activities as well, and they will develop you as a person.
They have to believe on themselves, and you are in a safe hands, and you will be going to be benefited in future.
You are in great hands, great hands. You will have a wonderful time here. Everyone takes care of you, and so very professional, but a lot of fun. You'll have fun. All the best.
I would encourage them to join INLEAD because this is the best Indian institute that can teach you so much about administration, leadership, and it can just take your career so far.
Hi, this is Vishal, a student of International Hotel Management at INLEAD. I'm here at the Westin Gurgaon. This is part of my industry exposure at INLEAD. Prior to this, I've also been to a Taj property, a Hilton property, and a Hyatt hotel, where the hotel management and our faculties gave us a complete understanding on how each department of a hotel works when we are working with big hotel chains. Combined with our industry-oriented curriculum and the personality development sessions at INLEAD, these industry visits are an ideal preparation for a career in global hospitality. I'm looking forward to my international placement, where I'll be able to utilize my learnings to the maximum.
My name is Lakshit, and I did my master's from INLEAD College in July 2013. I was a student then. Okay. And ever since I completed that, I came here to Alaska. I started working with the Hilton property here in Anchorage. So I really like my job, and I really like the responsibilities that they have given to me. The work culture is very good over here. People respect every single person. Again, my management, they like my work. They like the way I approach things. And I'm pretty happy about the work over here. Alaska, I've never thought that I would be, working in a place like this, all thanks to Inlead, because I never thought in my life that I would be able to see northern lights, grizzly bears, moose, extreme temperatures. Everything is beautiful.
Hi, this one from Scotland. I have completed my Masters in International Hotel Management from Inlead. I would like to say a huge thank to Miss Bindu ma'am and the placement officer Ravi sir, and thank you Inlead. Bye.
Hi everybody, this is Pulkit from International Hotel Management, July 13 batch, and currently I'm pursuing my internship at Interstate Hotels under Radisson branch. And in this short video message, I would like to thank Mr. Deepak Sharma, Ms. Bindu, Ms. Khushbu and Mr. Ravi Trivedi for enabling me professionally and personally to work in an international platform and giving me an opportunity to work in an international platform, thus giving me a chance to experience new people, explore new places, and importantly learn about new work ethics, which is the most important thing when you're working into international platform. And not making the video lengthy, I would like to summarize this video by saying thanks Inlead, and I would also recommend Inlead for the people who are passionate about hospitality, who wants to explore new things into hospitality, and who wants to experience international culture into hospitality. Do join Inlead, and believe me, you won't regret joining Inlead. It was the wisest decision of my life to join Inlead, so go ahead, join Inlead and make your future bright. Thanks, cheers, all the best.
Hi, I'm Divakar Reddy from Andhra Pradesh. I'm glad that I was part of Inlead and got opportunity to work in USA. It's a life-challenging experience, and I must say that the learnings are awesome here. I work with different people from different countries, and this is the best part of my job. Thanks a lot.